When your PIXIE Touch Panel is first powered on, a startup screen indicates progress until you can begin the setup. As the PIXIE Touch Panel is initially configured using the data from your Pixi Plus app, you must first set up all your Pixi devices in the Pixi Plus app. Once the touch panel has started up for the first time, the welcome screen is displayed. Press the Start button to begin the setup. A QR code is then displayed on the screen. This QR code needs to be scanned from your mobile device with the Pixi Plus app running. In your Pixi Plus app on your mobile device, hit the cog in the top right hand corner, select Configuration from the list of options, and then select Touch Panel. You must now use your mobile device camera to scan the QR code displayed on the touch panel. Remember, your phone must be connected to the same network as the touch panel to successfully complete this process. Once a successful connection is made, you need to give your touch panel a name, as it's possible to have multiple touch panels in a home. Confirm the name, and then a list of Pixi homes associated with your Pixi Plus account will be displayed. Remember, some homes may have multiple Pixi gateways depending on the number of devices being used. Select which homes you would like to control with your touch panel. The Pixi Touch Panel can control up to 8 Pixi gateways in the home on the same network. When you click Next, the data from those Pixi homes you selected will be transferred to your Pixi Touch Panel. Your Pixi Touch Panel will download all the data transferred and ask you to make one final connection test to each of the homes you selected. So be sure that all of those Pixi gateways are powered and connected to the same network subnet.